The Mahindra Scorpio-N in Dazzling Silver is a striking SUV that combines rugged capability with modern styling. Its bold stance, aggressive grille with chrome accents, and muscular body lines give it a commanding presence on the road. The dazzling silver color enhances its premium appeal, reflecting light beautifully and giving the SUV a sophisticated yet tough look. With LED projector headlamps, distinctive DRLs, and dual-tone diamond-cut alloy wheels, the Scorpio-N exudes a blend of elegance and power. Inside, the Scorpio-N offers a premium and spacious cabin with high-quality materials and modern technology. The dual-tone interior with soft-touch elements on the dashboard and leatherette seats provides a comfortable and luxurious feel. The large touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Adrenox, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless connectivity. The Sony 3D surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, with automatic climate control, ventilated seats, a sunroof, and multiple USB charging ports. The SUV ensures a comfortable journey for all occupants. The second-row seats provide ample legroom, and the third-row seating is practical for larger families. Under the hood, the Scorpio-N is powered by two engine options, a 2.0-liter mStallion turbo petrol engine producing 200 bhp and 380 Nm of torque, and a 2.2-liter mHawk diesel engine available in two tunes, a 173 bhp and 400 Nm or 132 bhp and 300 Nm. These engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. For off-road enthusiasts, the Scorpio-N comes with a Forester Intelligent 4WD system, ensuring superior traction and stability on rough terrains. The robust ladder frame chassis and advanced suspension setup contribute to a smooth yet stable ride, making it suitable for both urban and adventurous drives. Safety is a priority in the Scorpio-N, which comes with the 5-star global NCAP safety rating. It is equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, hill descent control, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility. The strong body structure and advanced driver assistance systems enhance protection for passengers. The SUV also features traction control, TPMS, and ISOFIX child seat mounts for added safety. The Mahindra Scorpio-N in Dazzling Silver is a perfect blend of power, style, and modern technology. Whether it's for city commutes, highway cruising, or off-road adventures, it delivers a strong performance while ensuring comfort and safety. With its bold design, feature-rich cabin, and powerful engine options, it continues the legacy of the Scorpio brand while setting new benchmarks in the SUV segment.